Hi everyone! Sa video ito, talakayin natin kung paano mag-solve or hanapin yung value ng trigonometric function na sine and cosine. Gamit lang ang fingers, okay? Yung daliri sa kamay. Okay? Yung technique na to, ina-apply lang natin para hanapin yung value ng sine and cosine na kung saan yung angle natin ay 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. Okay? So, paano ba gamitin itong daliri natin para hanapin yung value ng sine and cosine? Okay? Meron tayong formula. To determine the value of sine theta, okay, sine is equal to the square root of number of fingers to the right, okay, fingers sa right, over 2. Tapos, kapag cosine naman, cosine theta, sa square root of numbers of fingers sa left divided by 2. Then simplify. So these are the way how are we going to find the value of sine and cosine, which theta is 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. So example, sine 0 degrees. So kung ito ay i-assign natin yung mag-a-assign tayo ng 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 sa finger natin. So, yung 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90, i-assign natin dito sa fingers na to. So, 0 dito, 30, 45, 60, and 90. Okay? So, example, sine 0. Kung ito yung 0 natin, ito yung itutupi natin. At dahil sine 0, number of fingers to the right divided by 2. Ilan pa ba yung fingers na nasa right nung 0? Wala na. So, ibig sabihin, ang solution natin ay square root of 0 over 2. So, square root of 0 is 0 over 2, so that is 0. Sine 0 is 0. Example, 90. So, ito yung 90 natin. Sine 90. So, kung ito yung 90, tutupiin to. So, ilan yung fingers na nasa right? So, yun yung formula natin. Number of fingers in the right. So, kung ito, ilan yung finger? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, sa solution natin, square root of 4 over 2. Then, simplify. Square root of 2 over 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Over 2 is equal to 1. So, that's the value of sine 90. Sine 45. Ito. So, sine 45. So, tutupiin natin ito. Number of fingers sa right. So, 1, 2. So, 2 lang. Diba? So, square root of 2 over 2. So, that is now the answer. Square root of 2 over 2. For cosine 30, cosine naman. Kapag cosine, okay, we're going to use square root of number of fingers to the left divided by 2. Sa left ka naman magbibilang kapag cosine. Okay? Cosine 30. So, ito yung 30 natin. So, ito yung itutupi natin. Ilan yung fingers sa left? Kasi cosine, 1, 2, 3. So, ito, number of fingers to the left divided by 2. So, 3. Square root of 3 over 2. So, that is now the answer, square root of 3 over 2. Next, balik tayo kay sine. Sine 30. Ang sine 30, ito. 30 ito. Sine. Right ang bibilangin. So, this is 1. So, square root of 1 over 2. So, square root of 1 is 1 over 2. So, that is now the answer. Sine 30 is equivalent to 1 half. Cosine 45. 45. So, ito yung tutupiin natin. How many fingers do we have on the left? Kasi cosine, left, 1, 2. So, that is square root of 2 over 2. So, yan na yung sagot kasi hindi na natin ito masisimplify. Sine 60. So, ang sine 60 natin, ito, 60. Kapag sine, kanan ang bibilangin. 1, 2, 3. Square root of 3 over 2. So that is now the answer kasi hindi na natin masisimplify yan. Cosine 90. Okay, kapag 90 naman, cosine, so this is 90. Ito yung tutupiin. Ilan pa ba yung fingers sa left? Kasi cosine, wala na. Wala nang fingers dito. So, ibig sabihin, square root of 0 over 2. Simplify. Square root of 0 is 0 divided by 2. The answer is 0. So that's the way how are you going to find the value of sine and cosine using the angles 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. So ito yung tinatawag natin hand tricks ng trigonometric function. So hand trick, so bale, ayan. Ganyan mo siya i-solve. So sana naintindihan nyo kung paano gamitin yung hand trick na ito sa pag-solve ng sine and cosine. So I hope you learned something. That's all for today. That's all for this video. Thank you and God bless to everyone.